Explain how to use the wireless button mouse. First, unpack the device. After disassembling, you will get 4 items: wireless mouse, wireless keyboard, AAA batteries for keyboard and mouse. The wireless receiver needs to be plugged into the computer's USB port. Then now put the batteries in the mouse and keyboard. Be sure to pay attention to the positive and negative poles of the battery when installing. When not in use, you can put the wireless receiver into the empty slot below the mouse to avoid loss. Can be taken out when needed. If you need to enable the mouse, slide the red slider. Dial to the on file is to open. Dial to off gear is off. Install the battery into the keyboard. After the battery is installed, insert the receiver into the USB port of the computer. After plugging it in, you can use this mouse to operate the desktop of the computer normally. Very smooth. If the distance between the host and the display is relatively long, USB extension cable can be used. Plug the USB male end into the computer. Then insert the receiver of the wireless mouse into the female head of the extender. The same can also be debugged. Normal use.